I've been doing several videos lately on fake gun use. However, this story is a little different, as most of the article is fair and to the point. It's just the way Michael Keenan decides to deal with the situation that is worrying to myself and should be to other law-abiding firearm owners. As usual, with any anti-gun story that is promoted in this country, the first image the story shows is the anti-gun poster child Martin Bryant. This entire story is about how illegal guns are now too easy to get or manufacture within this country and how they are being used for the wrong reasons. I cannot agree more with any of this argument, and as a law-abiding firearms owner, I would like nothing more than to see it nipped in the bud, as it is unsafe for our general public, but also because it reflects badly on the rest of us legal gun owners. One paragraph written by Michael Keenan expresses just how much illegal firearm crime has grown in Victoria over the past year. Now, I will say I'm thankful I don't live in Victoria, as there are some serious issues down there that have been ever increasing over the past 12 to 18 months. So I think these statistics are most likely very different to what the rest of the country is experiencing, and to assume that these crimes are increasing just because of availability of illegal guns is undermining the greater issues with crime in Victoria. To conclude his article, Michael Keenan brings up his view that we need mandatory minimum sentence of 5 years imprisonment for gun smugglers. This legislation was already voted down this week with thanks to Pauline Hanson's One Nation Party and David Leyonhjelm's Liberal Democratic Party. As shooters, we should all be very cautious of this mandatory sentencing. It is very common practice now for shooters to source parts for their firearms internationally through the internet. If you did this and did not understand the laws on the parts you were bringing into the country, you could be facing a 5-year mandatory sentence for gun smuggling. We cannot allow just one law-abiding firearm owner to suffer for a poor choice. As usual, you can find the link to the original article in the description below, and if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please like, share and subscribe.